In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find group chat on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app and then tap right here at that button to go to your DMs. Here we can find a group chat just by looking at its avatar. As you can see, the avatar of a normal conversation with a single user is just a photo of this user, but in a group chat we can see two photos here. And there is one more way how we can find group chat on Instagram is by searching for their name. If we drag it down a bit, it will show us that search box, and then we can just enter group conversation's name. I have a conversation that is called my group, so I can just enter my, and that's how we can easily find it right over here, my group. That's how we can easily find group chat on Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.